Hi, I'm Alex. Welcome to my channel. So I've had this 1986 Nissan Sunny Coupe for a few years now. It's been a good daily driver, and it's really worn out. It has 460,000 kilometers on the engine. Gearbox is a 5-speed, but the 5th gear is missing already, so it's not so nice on the highway. Otherwise, I've liked this car. But yeah, it's in bad shape. They are getting quite rare, and my daughter likes it very much, so I don't have the heart to scrap it. So I bought this one. It's really cheap. I think it's an 89. 1.6 liter engine also, but this is the multi-valve, so more power, and 5-speed gearbox, but it should be in good condition. So the plan is to take the engine and gearbox from that one, put it in the older one. The problem is my friend who was supposed to borrow me this engine lift, he couldn't make it today, so I have to improvise. Let's see. So I'll be taking out some basic stuff, taking apart some brakes while I was planning this lifting, and I remember I have some old metal pipes. So yeah, I have these pipes, some old brake discs, and then on my off-roader I have a winch, and I have another one here inside the garage. This one. So yeah, I have a plan now. Okay, so I managed now to remove all the drive shafts from both cars. The spare parts car there was no problems, but with the older one there were some issues. This ball bearing, I couldn't get it away. No chance, so I had to cut it off. So I think now it's time to start disconnecting all cables, all wires, and start. I'm gonna first lift out this old engine. So yeah, cables, wires, and then I need to start building on this lifting device. So now all wirings and cables, hoses should be disconnected, all properly marked, and yeah, now it's time to build this improvised lift tool. Okay, so I'm finished with some very sketchy building. Really not sure if this is gonna work. If not, I will then scrap both of them and my wife will be happy and you will never see this video. So basically a big swing attached to the winch on the off-roader, and the other one attached to another winch, which is so sketchy I will not even show it to you. So the idea is to lift up the engine, put this one straight up again, and then I can lower the engine over there. This is not gonna go well. I think this is it. Now we try. I'm scared. Safety first. Take two. Still something. Woo! Part 1 done. And this hideous thing is working.